For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a tax preparation business can be a profitable and stable venture, especially during tax season when millions of individuals and businesses need help filing returns accurately and on time. What used to require a large upfront investment in software, marketing, and business planning can now be done using free artificial intelligence tools. These AI tools can assist in planning, branding, research, marketing, and even client management. This guide walks you step by step through how to start your tax preparation business using free AI, with specific tools and prompts to help you along the way. Step 1. Understand the tax industry and choose your niche. Before you launch, understand what kind of tax preparation services you want to offer. Will you help individuals, small businesses, freelancers, or a mix? Learn what licensing or certifications are required in your state. In many cases, no formal certification is needed unless you're representing clients before the IRS. However, becoming an IRS-registered tax preparer or enrolled agent can increase your credibility. To get a fast overview of niches and competitive insight, use ChatGPT or Google Bard. Prompt suggestion. List the most common tax preparation niches in the U.S. and the pros and cons of each. You can also ask, what licensing or registration do I need to prepare taxes legally in your state? Step 2. Use AI to create your business plan. A strong business plan will guide your strategy and show you exactly what needs to be done to succeed. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate this quickly based on your niche and goals. Prompt suggestion. Create a simple business plan for a home-based tax preparation business that targets freelancers and small business owners. Your plan should include an overview of services, startup costs, e.g. for e-filing registration, office supplies, pricing strategy, marketing channels, and a basic financial forecast. Ask follow-ups like, add a section about offering remote tax prep services using secure document portals. Step 3. Choose a business name and branding. Use free AI tools like Namelix or ChatGPT to help you come up with a unique and professional business name. Prompt suggestion. Suggest 10 creative and trustworthy business names for a tax preparation business serving small businesses and freelancers. After choosing your name, head to Canva's free version to design your logo, business card, and letterhead. With ChatGPT, you can also develop your brand messaging. Try the prompt. Write a professional slogan and brand statement for a tax business that emphasizes accuracy, affordability, and personal service. Step 4. Register your business and set up basic infrastructure. Once you have your business name, register it with your state. You'll also need an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS, which you can get free online. Register as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or whichever structure fits your goals. Then, create a Gmail account dedicated to your business and use Google Workspace's free tools, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, for managing client info, appointments, and files. Set up a free Google Voice number for client calls. To organize your operations, use Notion, free version, or Trello. You can ask ChatGPT, create a Notion template to manage client tax returns from intake to filing. Step 5. Learn the tools of the trade. To prepare taxes efficiently and legally, use IRS free file options if you're helping low-income clients, or learn to use free or low-cost versions of professional tax software like TaxSlayer Pro, Trial, Free Tax USA, or Drake's software demo version for practice. Meanwhile, have ChatGPT help you with training by prompting. Summarize key IRS rules that affect small business tax deductions in 2024. You can also ask, explain how the Earned Income Tax Credit works with example scenarios. To stay up to date with tax laws, set Google Alerts for IRS updates and subscribe to IRS e-News. Step 6. Use AI to create a website and online presence. A website builds credibility and attracts clients. Use AI-based site builders like Wix or System.io's free plan. For content, ChatGPT can write web copy. Prompt suggestion: write the homepage content for a tax preparation business that serves individuals and small businesses remotely across the U.S. Also use AI to generate your About page, services list, FAQ, and privacy policy. Tools like Durable AI or TinWeb can even build an entire site for you from a few keywords. Next, create a Google business profile so your business appears on local search results. Then set up LinkedIn and Facebook pages. Use Canva AI to create profile and banner images. Step 7. Market your services using free AI tools. Marketing is critical, and you can use AI to create a professional-looking marketing campaign without hiring anyone. Use ChatGPT to write marketing emails, social media posts, and even flyer copy. Prompt suggestion: write 5 persuasive Facebook posts to promote a home-based tax prep service with affordable rates. You can also ask, create a basic marketing plan for a local tax preparation service with no ad budget, using social media and referrals. Design your ads and flyers using Canva. Use MailChimp's free plan to send emails to a small client list. For cold outreach, try Apollo.io's free email tools. Step 8. Create AI-powered client intake and support systems. To impress clients with fast, smooth service, create an intake form using Google Forms or JotForm. Then, use ChatGPT to create automated client replies. Prompt suggestion: write a friendly email to send to a new client explaining what documents they need to submit for tax preparation. For client management, use Notion, Airtable, or Trello to track each stage from intake to filing. ChatGPT can help you build task checklists. Try: create a client checklist for preparing and filing a 1040 tax return. You can also use free chatbots from Tidio or Chatbase on your website to answer common client questions like, what documents do I need? Or how long does it take? Step 9. Offer virtual services and secure file transfer. Today, many clients prefer remote services. Use free tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to collect documents securely. For extra security, look into password-protected folders and basic encryption. Use Zoom, free plan, or Google Meet to host consultations and review documents with clients. ChatGPT can help you prepare for client calls with prompts like, give me a checklist of what to ask during a tax consultation with a first-time freelancer. Conclusion: starting a tax preparation business using free AI is more realistic than ever. With powerful tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Trello, Notion, and free website builders, you can build a professional service from scratch without a big budget. By leveraging AI for research, planning, branding, marketing, client management, and customer service, you not only save money, but also offer fast, tech-savvy service that clients appreciate. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.